Hello viewers, here is an NEC telephone. This is the model number DTR-1-1, open parenthesis WH, close parenthesis TEL. And it is from September of the 2007. And unfortunately, it was made in the China. I got this at work. I got a call a couple days ago that said there was some old equipment that they needed to get moved into the recycling room. And those calls are always a drop everything and go, because if somebody else does it, they'll probably just throw everything out. Anyway, so I got this telephone, and it's kind of interesting because when I first started working there, I used to work in the call center a lot, and at the time they had NEC telephones that were very similar to this. There was a feature set, so it had hold and it had a speakerphone and some other features. This one is a lot more basic, but it had the same handset, similar base, the same buttons. It looked very, very similar to the other phones. I didn't think I was going to be able to use this because I figured it was a Digitan phone, but it is in fact an Anitan phone and can take a regular phone line. It looks like we have a data out port, so you could put a caller ID box or whatever you wanted to do, an answering machine. And then I think what you would do is unscrew these screws, flip this around, and then you'd be able to hang it on the wall. Although it doesn't look like you'd have a space, so I don't know. That's kind of weird. Anyways, I don't know how to change the ring volume, if there even is a change. The only thing I see here is that's not is that dialing pulse? I don't know. Thought maybe that was pulse tone. I'm not sure. I'll switch this over here, turn this on, and call this up. Now that's not at all what I was expecting. Has like a trim line kind of ringer. Doesn't seem to have volume adjustment. Appears to work. I don't think that this has a speakerphone, which is kind of weird because it's got that big speaker and it looks like it has a microphone. Of course, that could just be blank. Both of those could be totally blank. I don't see a speakerphone button on here. Alright, let's go over to the mains and let's make an outside call. Keep forgetting to move this before I turn the amplifier on. That appears to be working.
Good afternoon. Whatever your mortgage needs, you can depend on our expertise. People's United Bank N.A., member FDIC and Today is Sunday, June 13th. People's United Bank, time 3:54. Current temperature at 73 degrees. Partly sunny today, highs lows 70. Overnight showers.
It's very clear. Yeah, these were good phones, kind of like those partner ACS phones. These were very well made and they lasted a very long time. And they stand up to plenty of abuse. These sure took a lot of abuse when they was in the call center. Well, not this particular handset, but the other ones. Okay, so now I'll record a testing message. I'll call the testing answering machine.
1. New message. Message 1. in. This is a test of the NEC corded telephone. The cord is in very nice condition, and the handset seems to work pretty good. Over and out. Goose out.
End of messages.
Okay, great. So it looks like this telephone is in good working order. I just have to get this cleaned up there because they wrote with a marker the telephone number, and I'm fairly certain that that telephone number is still active.